and because of this fear of making mistakes and that they might get trolled or people might laugh at them when they make mistakes. Hi everyone, I am Shriya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about something that I have closely observed. And please tell me in the comment section, what do you think about it? Okay. So you have to agree with me on this that communication skills is really important in today's world. And it's not just, and when I say communication skills, I mean, it's not just about what you talk. It's about how you talk. It's about your confidence. It's about the way you're delivering something and how efficiently and effectively that message is communicated and is conveyed to the audience. Now, I mean, with due respect to all the languages, I'm going to emphasize on English because English is considered as the official language. Now, I say that because be it school or workplace, English is considered as the common language, used to communicate amongst people, right? Now, or even if I leave that, if you are traveling to some different place, to some different city, to another state or another city, in that case, if you don't know the regional language of that particular place, but if you know English, then you're good to go and you're able to communicate with people over there, right? So what I have observed is that people, ignore the background noise, sorry for that. So what I have observed is that people who, if talking about people who don't know English at all, then they have to start from like the basics, from the very first step. But then there are people who know English and they can very well talk in English, but even then they don't or they cannot. And why? What I think is that the answer to that why is because of the lack of confidence and because of this fear of making mistakes and that they might get trolled or people might laugh at them when they make mistakes. But what I think is that it's completely fine. It's okay to make mistakes, right? I mean, making mistakes is just a part of the process of learning something. And only when you make mistakes, you're going to get good, better, and eventually the best at something that you're trying to do. I mean, we all make mistakes, right? And that's fine. You might have noticed that in my previous videos, what I've posted on YouTube, I have made so many mistakes. And I have this option that I could reshoot it and then post the corrected ones. But then I didn't do that because I thought that it's fine, it's okay. Let's just keep it raw because everyone makes mistakes and it's fine. I mean, you eventually learn from the mistakes that you're making, isn't it? So, I mean, this might sound like a gyan right now, but then this is what it is. We think that what the other person will think if we say it this way. But then all that is important and all that matters for you is to start. So if you're someone who is really very interested and is passionate and really badly want to learn English, spoken English, want to be confident, want to be like, oh, I want to be the best. So you have to start. Once you start, you will do it, man. You will ace. You will get there. So all that is important is, and all that I want to communicate through this video is that please start talking, start making mistakes. I mean, yeah, in future videos, I'm going to tell you the things that are going to help you to improve your English. Okay, but then I mean, we say that reading books is recommended, watching English movies or web series is recommended. True, yes, of course. But then those things will work as a catalyst. I mean, those things are going to help you, are going to are going to increase your process of learning. I mean, it will get faster, you will learn faster. But then the first and the basic thing is that you have to start. So start talking. And when I say start, I mean start talking. If you don't have anyone around you with whom you can communicate and can talk in English, start talking to yourself. I mean, if you notice, you will find that a person talks for the maximum amount of time we talk to ourselves. I mean, we keep murmuring things, we keep thinking about something or the other. So we are talking, right? We're just talking to ourselves. So if you don't have anyone around you with whom you can communicate in English, then start talking to yourself. Read books, watch English movies and series. But then the first thing and the foremost and the most important thing is start talking, start making mistakes, and you will get there. That's all for this video. I hope that this video might help you in some way or the other. And what do you think about whatever I've told in this video? Please tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next video. So, and yes, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do, and share it with your friends and with your loved ones whom you think